Welcome to the latest edition of Public Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. NYU Langone health researchers mapped the immune mechanisms behind rejection of a gene-edited pig kidney transplanted into a brain-dead human donor. Over 2 months, serial biopsies and immune profiling revealed antibody and T-cell-driven rejection patterns. Investigators were able to reverse injury using combinations of FDA-approved drugs, although the specific endpoint was not stated. These findings may shape future clinical and payer considerations once full data are available. Novartis reported that GanLum met its Phase 3 primary endpoint in more than 1,600 patients across 12 African countries. The combination of ganaplacide and lumefantrine achieved non-inferiority to Cortem, with higher PCR-corrected cure rates and activity against drug-resistant malaria. This could influence prescriber choice and payer reviews once the complete dataset is published. Early data from the Cleveland Clinic on CTX310 showed substantial reductions in LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. In a Phase 1 trial involving 15 participants with difficult-to-control lipid disorders, a single CRISPR-Cas9 infusion targeting ANGPTL3 yielded large lipid reductions with a favorable short-term safety profile. Full data will be needed to understand durability and long-term outcomes. At the AHA Scientific Sessions, a preliminary randomized trial showed that tailoring vitamin D dosing to achieve serum levels of 40 to 80 nanograms per milliliter cut heart attack risk in adults with heart disease. The intervention showed no effect on heart failure, stroke, or death, and interpretation will depend on study design details and confounding control. A Lancet review of 104 long-term studies linked ultra-processed food consumption to harm across major organ systems. 92 studies associated these foods with chronic disease and higher mortality. The review may influence nutrition guidance, yet results depend on observational study limitations. A large US cohort study following more than 320,000 adults for 20 years found that even light smoking of 1 to 5 cigarettes per day significantly raised cardiovascular and overall mortality risk. The findings reinforce that reducing cigarette consumption alone does not eliminate risk. In tuberculosis research, a Phase 2 trial of sulfequilline, also known as TBAJ876, combined with pretomanid and linezolid, showed higher stable sputum conversion by week 8 compared with comparators. Many patients could potentially stop treatment early if confirmed in later studies. A preclinical study from University of California, Riverside showed that microplastics can accelerate atherosclerosis in male mice. Researchers observed endothelial cell damage and increased plaque formation. Female mice did not show significant changes, highlighting possible sex-specific effects. While preclinical, the findings may shape future environmental health assessments. Stay ahead in public health research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.